What's up, guys? So when we first got this X3, we decided we're gonna be using up these stock tires until they wear out. And now it is time to replace these with all-terrain tires. Let us know what your suggestions are. I mean, here in Arizona, we do a lot of trail riding, such as, going through mud, dirt, rocks, gravel. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what is the best all-terrain tires that you think we should get. And if you guys are wondering why I have all these Christmas lights above here, we just did a UTV light parade. I have a link right up here if you want to go see it. And don't forget to like, subscribe. Again, drop me a comment. Let us know. Thanks. Peace.